Welcome to English by Tony.
Hello and welcome. I am very happy you are here. Are you learning English? Do you want to understand English better and speak with more confidence? This video is for you. If you are a beginner, don't worry. You are not alone. Many people feel the same. English can feel difficult at the beginning, but today I want to help you. We will talk in a slow and clear way. You can listen, repeat, and learn with me. We will take small steps, and you will feel better and better. First, let me ask you something. Do you feel nervous when people speak fast? Do you sometimes think, I don't understand anything? Do you feel afraid to speak because you don't want to make mistakes? That is okay. Many people feel this way, but the good news is this: you can improve, you can speak English, you can understand. All you need is time, practice, and motivation. I believe in you, and I will help you. Let's talk about how to understand English. When people speak fast, you can feel nervous or confused. You might think, what did they say? It's okay to feel this way. Everyone has to start somewhere. You are on the right path by watching this video. Now let's look at some tips to help you understand spoken English better. One way to learn English is to listen. Just a few minutes a day can help you understand English better. You don't have to understand every word. Just listen to slow English. Listen to simple videos like this one. Try to understand the main idea. You can watch the same video many times. You can pause, repeat, and try to speak like the person in the video. This helps your brain learn the sounds of English. Also, it is better to learn short phrases, not only single words. When you learn full phrases, you can speak more naturally. For example, instead of learning the word go, learn the phrase I want to go home or let us go to the store. This helps you remember faster and speak more easily. Try to repeat these small phrases during the day. Use them when you talk or think. Another good idea is to speak a little English every day. Even if you are alone, you can talk to yourself. For example, you can say, I am hungry. I like this song. It is hot today. I am learning English. This helps you feel more comfortable with the language. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Every person who learns a new language makes mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes. What is important is that you also try to think in English. When you see something, say it in English in your mind. If you see the sun, say the sun is shining. If you are walking, say I am walking to school. This is a good way to train your brain to use English every day. It also helps to read and listen at the same time. You can find videos with subtitles. First, listen and read the words. Then listen again without reading. After that, try to say what you heard. This helps your ears and mouth work together. You will understand more and speak better. When you learn a new word, try to use it today. If you learn the word coffee, say, I like coffee. I drink coffee every day. My coffee is hot. Using the word helps you remember it. It is better to use one word many times than to learn 10 words and forget them. And remember, learning takes time. You do not need to speak perfect English now. You just need to keep going. A little every day is better than a lot one time. Be patient with yourself. You are doing something amazing. You are learning a new language. That is not easy, but it is possible. You can do it. So keep trying. Another tip is to make learning fun. Watch movies or cartoons in English. Listen to English songs. Try to sing. Play games. Read easy books. Smile and enjoy the process. Learning English can be fun if you choose the right things. Another idea is to use your phone in English. Change the language settings to English. This way, you see English every day. You see small words like call, message, settings, camera, and more. This is a good way to learn without stress. And finally, believe in yourself. Many people say, I cannot learn English, but you are not them. You can do it. You are here now. You are watching this video. You are trying. That is the first step. And the first step is the most important. If you continue, you will speak English. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but one day you will speak. You will understand. You will feel happy and proud. I know this is true. So now, let's remember. Listen every day. Speak a little. Repeat phrases. Think in English. Read and listen. Use new words. Have fun. Be patient. And believe in yourself. Now let's talk about how to speak English. Speaking English can be hard for beginners. You might not know many words or feel nervous speaking with others. But don't worry, everyone starts as a beginner. Here are some ideas to help you speak English better. One way to learn English is to repeat after others. Find a video or a person you like. Listen and repeat what they say. This is a good way to practice your pronunciation and learn new words. You can also record yourself speaking and then listen to the recording. This way you can hear how you sound and identify areas for improvement. Another idea is to use flashcards. Flashcards are a great way to learn new words and review them. You can make your own flashcards or use an app like Quizlet or practiced saying the words out loud. This helps you remember them better and practice your pronunciation. Also, you can find a language exchange partner. This is a person who wants to learn your language and you can help them practice while they help you practice your English. There are many websites and apps where you can find a language exchange partner for free. If you do not have a language exchange partner, you can practice with yourself. This may feel strange at first, but it can help you get more comfortable speaking English on your own. As you practice, you will get better and better. Remember to be patient and enjoy the process. And now, let's remember all the tips we talked about today to understand English. You can listen to slow English, use small phrases, repeat them, think in English, read and listen at the same time. Use new words. Have fun. Be patient and believe in yourself. To speak English, you can repeat after others, use flashcards, practice with a friend or on your own. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. That helps this channel grow and bring more lessons for you. And leave a comment. You can write, I will learn English. That is your promise. Say it out loud. I will learn English. You are not alone. I am here with you. You are doing great. Keep going. One day, you will speak English well. I believe in you, and I am proud of you. See you in the next lesson.